Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about what is Odoo. Okay, so all-in-one ERP software, manage sales, CRM, inventory, accounting, HR, e-commerce, all under one login, one database. Okay, instead of using WhatsApp for orders, Excel for the counts, and Tele for GST, Odoo does all three in one place. The real problem, why business struggle. Most small businesses juggle 5 to 10 disconnected tools. Data gets duplicated, errors keep in, and nobody has full picture. A shop owner tracks sales in Excel, sends invoices via email, and manages stock in a notebook. Udo replaces all of three. Before versus after Odoo. The transformation without Odoo, 5 separate apps, manual data entry, errors and duplication, no real time view, high monthly cost. With Odoo, one login, one system, automated workflows, single source of truth, live dashboards, free community editing. Who chooses Odoo? From Kriana shops to large manufacturers, any business that needs to track sales, stock, people, or the money. A Chandigarh textile exporter uses Odoo for GST invoicing, stock level, and customer follow ups, all automated. Advantages: open source and modular. Install only what you need today. Add more modules as you grow. No vendor lock in, fully customizable. Start with just CRM plus invoicing for free, add inventory and the HR 6 months later when your team grows. Okay, so additions, we have two additions, that is community versus enterprise. Odoo comes in two versions, one is free, one is paid. As a beginner, start with the community. Open source, self-hosted, all core modules included, perfect for learning, freelancers and small businesses. Enterprise, cloud hosting, extra modules, mobile apps, and the Odoo support starts from this per month. Why learn Odoo? So Odoo skills are in high demand. SMEs across India globally need people who can implement and customize. Okay, so we should learn Urdu, and let's see, because of the AI, most of the people are still looking for the SaaS base, but does ERP still live long? So let's take a look. Okay, so I'm going to make a full tutorial series on the Urdu from beginning from to the end, from beginner to advanced level, full-fledged, how to make a custom plugins and everything. Okay, so make sure, if you don't know about the Python and the XML and the Postgres, okay, these technologies are used by these Odoo, because on the by learning this, we are going to implement how to make plugins, customize it, different plugins. We are going to publish all this in the coming series. So be with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.